Praise the Lord, He's working through me, and it means a great deal to me, knowing He's by my side every step along the way. Joyfully I run to serve Him, though I know I don't deserve Him. It's only by His grace that I even heard His call. So I'm giving Him my all. It's a happy feeling, doing what He wants me to do. At His feet I'm kneeling, doing what He wants me to do. And I'm not wasting my time making wishes that never come true, 'cause it's more appealing doing what He wants me to do. I will follow where He's leading, every new direction heeding, moving at His command, 'cause I never want to stray. Trusting in the Lord to guide me, having perfect peace inside me, seeking to do His will every hour of every day. And that's how I'm gonna stay. It's a happy feeling, doing what He wants me to do. At His feet I'm kneeling, doing what He wants me to do. And I'm not wasting my time making wishes that never come true, 'cause it's more appealing doing what He wants me to do.
Okay, Ralph, we're on.
Oh, yeah. How do I look?
You look just fine, Ralph.
Is my tie on straight?
Yeah, everything's fine.
How's my breath?
Well, almost everything's fine. Let's go, Ralph. Hit the lights.
Okay. Ooh. It's dark back here.
Some corn, and corn is good unless it's on your toe. An elephant's always got his trunk but has no place to go. My shirts will never wag their tails,
And who can sing a fish's scales?
I think it's time to go.
Hey, Ralph, why did the chicken cross the road?
I don't know, Elmer. Why did the chicken cross the road?
Because.
Oh, that's some corn, and corn is good unless it's on your toe.
An elephant's always got his trunk but has no place to go.
My shirts will never wag their tails,
And who can sing a fish's scales?
I think it's time to go.
Say, Elmer, your hair is getting thin.
Well, Ralph, who wants fat hair?
Oh, that's some corn, and corn is good unless it's on your toe. An elephant's always got his trunk but has no place to go.
My shirts will never wag their tails,
And who can sing a fish's scales?
I think it's time to go.
Hey, Ralph, did you hear the one about the orthopedic hat?
Nope.
Me neither.
Oh, that's some corn, and corn is good unless it's on your toe. An elephant's always got his trunk but has no place to go.
My shirts will never wag their tails,
And who can sing a fish's scales?
I think it's time to go.
Elmer, did you leave home?
I left home.
Did you put the cat out?
I didn't know he was on fire.
Oh, that's some corn, and corn is good unless it's on your toe. An elephant's always got his trunk but has no place to go.
My shirts will never wag their tails,
And who can sing a fish's scales?
I think it's time to, I think it's time to, I think it's time to go.
Thank you. Listen to that thunderous applause, Elmer. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, Tim, cut the applause.
You know, Ralph, singing nonsense is fun, but it don't mean much. I'd like to sing a song that means something.
Oh, you mean like boop, boop, dim, dum, wadum, chew?
No, that's not what I had in mind.
Well, what did you mean then?
Well, something like, like what we learned in church last week.
Oh, you mean that Bible song?
Yeah, that's it.
Okay, I'll sing the first verse. The Bible tells us all about Adam, who had a pretty wife named Eve. They listened to a snake and ate some fruit from the tree, though God had told them no, they didn't believe. They ate the apple, and so they had to leave.
Okay, Ralph, now it's my turn. The Bible tells us all about Daniel, who always tried to do what God said. He disobeyed the king, and so they took him away. And in the lion's den, they left him for dead.
Oh, no.
But God was with him. Yeah, the lions didn't get fed.
Okay, it's my turn now. The Bible tells us all about David, a little shepherd boy with his sheep. He fought against a giant man with only a sling and prayed for God to send a stone very deep. Yeah, God and David, oh yeah, they rocked Goliath to sleep. Boop, boop, shabba-rop.
That was real good, Ralph. The Bible tells us all about Jonah, who spent a couple days in a fish. He tried to run away from God and go his own way, but ended up as something's favorite dish. He really blew it. You don't tell God to go fish.
Oh, yeah, that was really great.
It always seems kind of funny to me how unlike ice cream flavors can be. From plain vanilla to tutti frutti, there's so many, and it's as clear as a bell. They may be different as morning and night, but when you mix them together just right, they make a cool, smooth, and tasty delight. You can't beat it. It's a treat, it all goes together so well. Ice cream and God's people are kind of the same. Ice cream and God's people, now let me explain. We're all very different, it's true, but when God mixes someone with you, it's special. Ice cream. Ice cream, ice cream, and God's people. Just look around and you'll probably see a group that seems kind of unlikely, working together as nice as can be, but God did it just in the way He designed. So if the Lord gives you something to do, He may pick someone to help see you through. And if you find that he's different from you, don't you fight it, 'cause it's right, it's just what the Lord had in mind. Ice cream and God's people are kind of the same. Ice cream and God's people, now let me explain. We're all very different, it's true, but when God mixes someone with you, it's special. Ice cream, ice cream, and God's people.
This is my body, broken for you. This is my body, given for you. Take it, eat it, share it, receive it. And when you do, and when you do this, remember me. This is my blood poured out for you. This is my blood given for you. Take it, drink it, share it, receive it. And when you do this, and when you do this, remember me. And when you do this, remember me. Remember what I did for you. Remember Calvary. I bought the freedom you enjoy with my agony. So when you take the bread and wine, remember me. Remember me. This is my spirit poured out on you. This is my spirit living in you. Take it, believe it, live it, receive it. And when you do this, and when you do this, remember me. And when you do this, remember me. Remember what I did for you. Remember Calvary. I bought the freedom you enjoy with my agony. As you embrace the Comforter, remember me. Remember me. Remember me. Remember me.
Oh, crummy buttons. This umbrella is soaked. That's what I get for taking it out in the rain. Well, I guess I better close it up now that I'm in the house. Let's see. Just push this little dealy bobber here and... Ow! Ooh, ow! There. Now, why would anybody invent something you can get your head caught in? Elmer? Elmer, are you here? I guess not. I hope he gets back soon, and I wish this rain would stop. It's driving me crazy. I know. I'll watch a little TV to take my mind off it.
So be sure and pick up a box of Spring Shower, the laundry detergent that leaves your clothes rainwater soft, rainwater fresh, and rainbow bright.
And now we return to our jillion-dollar movie, Gene Kelly in Singing in the Rain.
Still here at Fenwick Stadium, in the middle of a rain delay which has held up today's game. The field appears to be one...
And today, kids, Mr. How and Why is going to show us where clouds come from and why it rains.
And the rain was upon the earth 40 days and 40 nights.
Oh, no! There must have been a power failure. I'd better go find my flashlight. Ooh! It's dark in here.
The waters prevailed upon the earth 150 days.
Oh, I can't stand it anymore. This rotten rain. Why won't it stop? I hate it. Rotten rain, rotten rain, rotten rain, ratin' rot, running rut, rotting run.
Hi, you Ralph.
Run,
Boy,
rot,
somebody
rotten
sure
rain,
smashed the rain button, didn't they?
written rune, rotten ringing.
I said, it sure is wet out, ain't it, Ralph?
Red reading roar, rain run, run rye.
Ralph?
Oh, hello, Elmer. Ratin' ring, rotten rim.
What are you doing, Ralph?
I'm throwing a tantrum
Why?
because I'm tired of waiting for this stupid rain to stop.
What's wrong with rain?
Nothing, except for it's been going on all week, and nobody can do anything till it stops.
Well, I don't know about that, Ralph. I've been getting all kinds of things done since the rain started.
You have? Like what?
Well, I fixed the leaky faucets in the bathroom, I painted my room, cleaned up the floors down at the church, fixed my car, did some macrame.
Macrame? What's that?
Well, it's kind of like rope made out of a bunch of knots.
That seems like a silly thing to get tied up doing.
It don't really matter, Ralph. The point is that I got a lot done this week, even with the rain coming down like blue blazes.
Yeah, but I'm tired of the rain.
Now, Ralph, the rain will stop when God says it's time for it to stop.
But when? When will that be?
I don't know, Ralph. Only God knows. You just need to be a little patient.
What, and go to a little doctor?
No, Ralph, not that kind of patient.
Look, Elmer, you say I need to be patient, but I have been. I've been waiting all week. Waiting all week.
Now, just a minute. There's a difference between waiting and being patient.
There is? Well, what's the difference?
Well, everybody has to wait for something, but being patient is how you act while you're waiting.
Are you sure?
Sure, I'm sure. See, some people get fidgety and ornery when they're waiting. Why, some folks get so upset they can't even talk straight.
I've heard that before, but I don't believe it. That's just a bunch of baloney. Bunch of bolono. Binch of bologna. I see what you mean.
But if you have patience, you can be calm and happy while you're waiting. In fact, that's just the way Jesus wants you to be.
Well, maybe I do need a little more patience. How do I get it?
You don't get patience, Ralph. You learn patience.
Oh, good. Maybe I can take lessons. Where's the yellow pages?
You can have lessons, all right, but you won't find a teacher in the phone book.
I won't? Well, how about the bulletin board down at the laundromat?
No, Ralph. God's the only one that can teach you patience, and your lesson book is the Bible.
Well, I guess I'll just have to ask God to teach me patience. But what do I do in the meantime?
You could help me clean up over here. Say, Ralph, how'd your umbrella get all bent up like this?
Oh, I caught my head in it.
You what?
Here, I'll show you. I had it open like this.
Looky here, what do you see? It's a book called the Bible. What does it say to you and me? Well, let's open it and then we can see. Hi, kids. Hey, you know the Bible teaches us that if we love God and are trying to do what He asks us to, then everything that happens in our lives will be good for us. That means that no matter what is happening to us, it'll be good. Sometimes that's hard to think about when only bad things are happening, but it's true. Our Bible verse today says, all that happens to us is, all that happens to us is for our good if we love God. Let me think. Romans 8:28. Yeah, that's right. Isn't that a nice thing to know? Okay, are y'all ready to say it with me? Huh? Okay, let's try it. All that happens to us is for our good if we love God. Romans 8:28. Hey, that's pretty good. Why don't we do it once again just to be sure I know it, okay? All right, say it real loud so I can hear you. All that happens to us is for our good if we love God. Romans 8:28. Oh, very good. You sure are smart kids. Well, it's time for me to go now. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.
Shooting marbles, going fishing, wearing funny clothes and playing pretend, spending lots of time together. I'm so glad that you're my favorite friend. I like you, you like me, and we get along so easily. I need you, you need me, that's the way that it will always be. Spending lots of time together. I'm so glad that you're my favorite friend. Hey, wanna come to my house for lunch? Sure, what are you having? Peanut butter and caterpillar sandwiches. I like you, you like me, and we get along so easily. I need you, you need me, that's the way that it will always be. You will be there when I need you. Come whenever, you're my favorite friend.
good many years we've been husband and wife. I'm glad that we're sharing this wonderful life. We built a home and had some kids and raised them up right. We know we're getting older, but the future looks bright. We don't need to worry if we disagree, or even if push comes to shove.
'Cause no matter what you do, there's still no one but you.
You're the one that I love. We shared lots of tears and we shared lots of fun. But look how it seems like we've only begun. There's blessings to be found in each and every day. And all because we ask the Lord to show us the way. The best things in life are all totally free. And you can believe that it's true. And on each and every day, I'm glad you came my way. I am still in love with you. I'm in love with you. I'm in love with you. I'm in love with you.
Growing up, growing old, growing close together.
Starlight and moonbeams and snows by the sea. Moments for memories and sweethearts like you and me.
Rides in the country and breakfast at 9. I am so glad you are mine.
Although your hair's turned to silver and mine doesn't part,
It doesn't matter,
'cause with you I'm young at heart.
you are my true love.
My sweet Valentine, I am so glad you are mine. Though many years have gone by us and we're old and gray, we're still God's children, and that's why we're able to say our lives a book with an author divine. I'm glad